Okay, let's talk about how to make your money work for you instead of the other way around. My dad worked his whole life and saved every extra penny he could in a shoebox. But you know what? He was never actually able to quit his job. So what happened? Well, there's this hidden risk that most of us just don't see. That's the average rate of inflation every single year for the last 60 years. This invisible force was just eating away at his savings year after year. The solution? It's this powerful thing called compound interest. It's kind of like magic, really. So how does it work in the real world? Well, this simple formula can make you a millionaire. And get this, wait just 10 more years, and that number doubles. Time is the secret ingredient. So when should you start? The simple answer is as soon as possible. But first, before you put a single dollar in, you gotta do these two things. No exceptions. Okay, so once you're ready, the big question is, how much should you actually invest? A really good rule of thumb is the 70-20-10 rule. It just keeps things nice and balanced. All right, what do you actually invest in? You might think you need a pro, but there's a much easier way. Think of it this way. An index fund is like betting on the whole league, not just one team. Seriously, you don't have to overcomplicate it. A lot of success can come from just these three. Each one gives you a different piece of the pie. It's diversification made super, super easy. But isn't investing super risky? It's a totally fair question, so let's look at the actual data. Remember that shoebox? Turns out, doing nothing can actually be the biggest risk of all. Look, crashes happen, but the key thing here is that the market has always recovered. So when do you sell? If you're young, the answer is, well, basically never. Unless it's one of these three things, your best strategy is to just invest and let it ride. So here's the bottom line. Time is your greatest asset. Don't let fear keep you from using it.